Did you know that water can reveal if there's negative energy or a spirit in your home? Let me explain. Water is highly receptive to energy and can act as a detector for hidden presences. Here's an experiment you can try to find out. Take a glass of water and fill it up halfway. Add a pinch of salt and place it in a quiet corner of your house, somewhere it won't be disturbed. Leave it there for 7 days. If your home is free of negative energy or spirits, the water will stay clear with no noticeable changes. But if there's any kind of negative energy like envy, witchcraft, or even the presence of an obsessive spirit, the water will absorb it and change. You might notice cloudy water, bubbles forming, or even strange patterns appearing on the surface. This simple method has been used for centuries to detect energy shifts that are otherwise invisible. So, if your glass of water shows signs of change, it could mean there's more to your home than meets the eye. Like, follow and share this video with someone who might need this.